How to claim Robux and please donate. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain on how to claim Robux and please donate. So first of all, you have to enter the please donate game. On the side, click on the gift box icon, which allows players to send gifts to the users who are offline in different servers or playing other games. Next, go to the top and click on the mail icon. If you have received any offline donations, they will appear here. Click on the claim button to receive your Robux and then close the window. For donations received at your stand, go to Robux website and log in. Click the Robux icon at the top and then select My Transactions. Ensure that the transaction type is set to summary and look for the pending Robux option. The Robux donated to you through Please Donate will be listed here. It usually takes about 5 days for the Robux to be added to your balance, but it may take longer as well. Expand the transaction type menu and select Sales of Goods to see all your donations from the Game Pass sales, and Robux donated through your stand do not need to be claimed. They will automatically be added to your total once cleared. Donations awaiting clearance will have a timer icon next to them, and now you know how to claim Robux and please donate. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.